9th of January is my grandmother's birthday. Would have been her 93rd. Seemed like a fantastic excuse to go outside for a photo walk with one of her lenses. Hexanon AR50 millimeter 1.7 f1.7, produced, if I remember correctly, between 1973 and 1979. So means that it's around 50 years old. It's got a dent in it, but optically I believe it's very good. I guess we're gonna find out because we're shooting with it today. It is manual focus, of course, so no autofocus. And if you were curious about what my setup is like, now you know. So what do I think about the images? What struck me is that the colors and the sharpness is pretty good. Sharpness obviously when it's in focus. I did miss focus a few times, so it does slow you down. But the images were really good. Can you use vintage lenses? Yes, if you're willing to focus every time, manually focus, then there's nothing wrong with this. The image quality coming out of this is fantastic. But yeah, I would definitely recommend getting a vintage lens because it's fun, quality is good, and they're inexpensive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.